What's popping, everybody? You know why it is. Mr. O. B action. They go back again with another video. Namkala. Rombura zakari we. Ndombura zakari. So now I'm saying go zima for what the robot and I keep changa chakari. They got to high school and listen mugaguri. Kaduro running Kadua grade 12. Ngwana ya vice chairperson then the vice president if ngado zivyangendera so zako vyangendera kama zonga manda. So yeah man, namself ndo vyanga rootkit vendor, one of the most respected chikuwa chomutituwa ndimo mthanga Anthony Pongadela kama zonga manda. Like he's so respectful, man. And then asati you know the Rothman mkomana you know the brother run ngongwa tana nazithoni kwa ya thoni kwa ndo difoso ndi munna msindichere ya cave ukotanga na mindo bajira mkomana. Yeah man, ndo byanga rootkit vendor track with 80 degrees freestyle. So I don't lie guys, musinchi bona this like the title of the song ndo omanya badi to nda degeneza angaba unyako za mambo minomu 80 degrees session ndikomba so okay 80 degrees do kwamba ngopisa khongwana ndazama tumanya freestyle na F ya Fahrenheit mana asi degree hilan matina ene mnoko doziyamba chitomore papa. And I felt stupid because not to talk limbo I'm not to mangena bar because no more the rope party. So yeah man, it's rootkit vendor 80 degrees freestyle. This is a one take video, but hapa atikoja video atachipinga cheti taona mkala bana kumwa exam ko mark ko invite. So I don't have chipinga cho I don't think I have enough time to edit, so I'm just gonna take like my audio whenever you have a video. And don't forget to subscribe to this boy, man. And don't subscribe don't forget to subscribe. Right now it's on 3.14. Like you need me, man. But yeah, let's get him back to that 100k. Yeah, that times, right? So let's get to it, man. Rootkit vendor 80 degrees freestyle. Let's go. I love him when he raps, man.
Yeah. Whenever I step on the mic, this shit gonna be 80 degrees. So many
like I said, whenever I step on the mic, the shit is gonna be 80 degrees. Like ndia pisa ndi muliro. Ngwana like upisa zo pisa, right? Like if you come banga vent like you know 36, 37, I suppose when you go changamanda. So mfana ngori ndinchamuliro ngwana, my bars are fire, everything I spit is fire. I spit fire ngwana. So yeah man, it's spit fire. Woo. Yeah.
Whenever I step on the mic, this shit gonna be 80 degrees. So many hot rappers I know, I'm proud to say I'm up on the list. Yeah,
like how many hard rappers, like I know if you go count as the hard rappers, like hot rappers, I have to be there. Kongana, I have to be there. And I'm going to count the top 5 rappers. And I'm going to count on. I have to be there. Kongana, how many hot rappers do you know? I have to be there because now this Peter guy 80 degrees. Okay.
Yeah. Whenever I step on the mic, this shit gonna be 80 degrees. So many hot rappers I know, I'm proud to say I'm up on the list. Look, yeah, I ain't gonna be cocky. Everywhere check like I'm Rocky. I talking about boxing, but I put this beard in the coffin. I been rapping, I been
I box you, I put this in a coffin like hey, the wrong uppercut. Now what I put this beat in the coffin like boxing, but hey, I can put it in a coffin. Yeah, man.
Proud to say I'm up on the list.
In other words, I knock out so the wood.
Yeah, I ain't gonna be cocky. Everywhere check like I'm Rocky. I talking about boxing, but I put this beard in the coffin. I been rapping, I been stepping, I put pressure on niggas. I feel special, I'm a different breed. I'm feeling greed.
I feel special. I'm a different breed. I feel special. I'm a different breed. You know, it's like I'm cut from a different cloth. Kongwana. Like I'm like nengandenda bangayo, right? It's only find special because nenda zviita as no one bakono zviita. When this is something special, that means this thing is rare. It's a rare breed. So I feel like I'm a different breed. I'm a rare breed because I feel special. Kongwana. Nenda zviita zvinhu bakono zviita. Imagine when he gets to another 80k subscribers. That was my first one, my second channel, and I'm on 80k twice before introducing 5k.
I talking about boxing, but I'm gonna be 80 degrees. So many hot brothers I know, I'm proud to say I'm up on the list. Look, yeah, I ain't gonna be cocky. Heavyweight champ like I'm Rocky. I talking about boxing, but I put this beard in the coffin. I've been rapping, I've been stepping, I put pressure on niggas. I feel special, I'm a different breed. I'm feeling big, yeah, like a villain stressed in a hero on a movie scene. Young nigga like me got blue ticks, but I feel like I've never been seen.
Young nigga like me got a bold ticks, but I feel like I've never been seen. I feel like it's like double entendre. Blue ticks, ka WhatsApp, blue ticks, Muslim to wana message ya I mean ita blue ticks, kongwana ngolo seen so I mean wana message one. But he said a young nigga like me have got a blue ticks, but I feel like I've never been seen. Ngondro kamboli verify you. Niko verify. Kongwana verify you, but I feel like it's not seen. I feel like ucha underrated. Do you know what I'm saying? So he's saying like he knows that he got blue ticks over 5 years mezo ya the artist actually mende una batho, but he feel like to swika na kunya kusvika hone it's not been seen kongwana like nondira underrated. Yes na blue tick, but I feel like ngori I don't zwe blue tick ya mupa zvone azvi ava kolavela zvone. He thought maybe I can blue tick even things are gonna be seen more, but still feel like it's not seen.
Special, I'm a different breed. I'm feeling big, yeah, like a villain stressed in a hero on a movie scene. Young nigga like me got blue ticks, but I feel like I've never been seen. Basti bati stapi, now wanna go over business. The best already to survive or any tamati. To go for my number of angor in some beautiful batuma.
Mala they have to not suba ngodoraro like ndiko ifeso lani kwa guy like you stop and they suba because nditamadi nazo mtu bako to ambo like yeah, I'm dangerous, I'm good, but you know suba tabi nditamadi. I get what I get. They're gonna fesa so look at guy, but my death it was ndofika zolo suba ngodoraro zivha kuroshelwa guy ngongwana. So that's my 2 cents actually.
Got blue ticks, but I feel like I've never been seen. Basti bati stapi, now wanna go over business. The best already to survive or any tamati. To go for my number of angor in some beautiful batuma. Go for a okapi. Yes, to the court, rabati bapi. When I rap that, I score a bad guy. I didn't even know she bangapi. Oh yeah, more money, more pride.
Shidagora but then so zvanga like one so zvanga and this was zvanga like it's just a simple thing. You're supposed to drop ndi mpo. When something I feel like everybody can rap, right? Like there are people who know baby wana mpo yo draw, and there are people who go to learn how to draw. Like I feel like nana if not the pachpinga choni nyao rap and that good is rap I can rap, but ndinga sero po fana auto baby anazo. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's why I say like hey man, it's to stop mpo. I think what was jaivera. It's a gift, so nanati those vanga up. Look at the rap ali moduba and go kill a stage.
Basti bati stapi, now wanna go over business. The best already to survive or any tamati. To go for my number of angor in some beautiful batuma. Go for a okapi.
You know that they put in that way. No gavi they are mad. I mean, to go for nditswa dzimbulu dza vhathu bana ngambava na singofara ukapi ntingo yamba zwone, but you know like what they say, right? Like gevenga mbava utswa zwithu mara nditswa mbilu dza vhathu nga muzika wanga ndisongofara mini okapi tishumisa okapi tishumisa mini muzika wanga. People love me because of my talent.
I feel like I've never been seen. Basti bati stapi, now wanna go over business. The best already to survive or any tamati. To go for my number of angor in some beautiful batuma. Go for a okapi. Yes, to the court, rabati bapi. When I rap that, I score a bad guy. I didn't even know she bangapi. Oh yeah, more money, more problem, but I like it like that. They hate can never affect you when them pockets are fat. You niggas can rap with the boy.
To never affect you when the buckets are full.
Oh yeah, more money, more problem, but I like it like that. They hate
more money, more problem, but I like it like that. Like more money, chade chida inji, madawa manji. Kongwana, but hey, this one is raro. Mona move and chade wana mukara. This one is raro because it doesn't affect too much. Musi na bucket, no dara na chade. Kongwana. I remember I'm going to come bari. What are you wawala? Ugo chimra bana mswa wata wawala. Lamborghini zero zungazifani. Kongwana. Udore Lamborghini was goja echo na hush.
Can never affect you when them pockets are fat. You niggas can rap with the boy. I straight up mean it like that. I know she like.
That's a challenge. You niggas can never rap with the boy. I put up straight like that. So then you go put the camera and I rap Root Kid. Root Kid. Rap challenge. You can guys even have a song together. Like just a song no rush or rap. Who can rap like me? I can even have a hook. Who can rap like me? Hey, no one. Who can rap like me? Hey, no. Who can rap like me? Hey, no. At home. I wanna put on a part two. Uska watch to follow yeah rap. Like if you remember even it doesn't have to be a same song. If you remember there was a beef here Jonah Lucas na Skepta. Yeah, this year, I think June, July, those two were beefing because over a posteriori, UK rappers are better than USA rappers. Then John Lucas said, no, we are the better rappers. Then Skepta and I, no, we are the better rappers. Then we were beefing about Gosumba Zondini no rapping a month. Kongana, like they're challenging each other, who's the best rapper? Who's the best rapper between the two us? And everybody can have their own opinion. Just that later more Kajira Lucas with that, but that's the over that they want. So hey, if you're a rapper, you feel like you can rap with Rootkid. No challenge. If I'm saying like that, no one can rap like me.
She told you ain't no feelings attached. The hate can never affect you when them buckets are fat. You niggas can rap with the boy. I straight up mean it like that. I know she lied when she told you ain't no feelings attached. Oh yeah, if a nigga's dick riding, that was disappointing. That rungisa, that you would do.
Dick riding that disappointing. That rungisa, print, dick only dick riding or declining.
I straight up mean it like that. I know she lied when she told you ain't no feelings attached. Oh yeah, if a nigga's dick riding, that was disappointing. That rungisa.
Oh, he said dick riding. I thought he said declining, like declining. Right? So because if he meant declining, the dick line, would come in, right? And then print, and then print rungisa. So it's like print. Congo, right? Dick print. But I think it's dick riding. So dick riding is like we just don't go muna marao. These ladies of the wood, the nothing sort of ni madam to nams okaka. Never madam to okaka. But yeah, something like yeah, dick riding, like ngafi you are dick riding. So I dick riding the print and rungi something like that. But yeah, for more it was gonna be more bar if you said declining. Your niggas are declining like in Koua, Kongwana. But another go declining. I wish he said declining because declining, the line, dick print with a line, I mean, yeah, dick. Oh, okay.
With the boy, I straight up mean it like that. I know she lied when she told you ain't no feelings attached. Oh yeah, if a nigga's dick riding, that was disappointing. That rungisa, but you would during the blind. Na matonde at the bonisa. Let's take it back like it's like.
Wachimbuzo ndi blind na matonde ati bonyisa. So blind down blind ya usabon. If you to blind ubasabon, right? So all what I mean what the bonyisa that I mean asabon and then watching the blind is also a slang. Chawari ni blind one ya corner. You are dangerous, Kongwana. So it's like that was slang, but watching the blind and they are the dangerous, they are the bonyisa the shonisa chorus.
Feelings attached, oh yeah. If a nigga's dick riding, that was disappointing. That rungisa, but you would during the blind. Na matonde at the bonisa. Let's take it back like it's 1990. Yeah, the Tupac rap, all these rappers and niggas can't not even stop me trying to get rich. Versace, you are not my dog, you my puppy. Trying to get straight to the lobby. Been killing shows, been killing flows, did it all with no backup. Niggas came, but I'm already gone. Even now they can't catch up. If you're trying to put me up on a song, this nigga's not any danger. About to feel or not. Gasoline, super cut to beat the Vaseline. When they go, she watching me. Got them boots are all she can be. This is one of the good deep, then I be one. Ting gonna be getting a me.
Guys, I'm vibing. I'm even missing some bars if it's zero. Can't miss them for 20 seconds.
Oh, with no backup, yeah. Niggas came, but I'm already gone. Even now, they can't catch up. If you try.
Niggas claim, but I'm already gone. My nigga claim more I can level younger, but I'm already gone. Even now they're playing catch up. Catch up and I'm hard. So the line Yasto GT. Actually, when niggas said they set the bar, I look back and tell them where the bar was. Kongwana, majitachi mbuzo or set a bar or a bar or set a bar is like Nkwambori. Yeah, industry condition on week. So my the guy mbuzo or set a bar, near says I'm rather was buy over a guy. Kongwana, you didn't set the bar was above you. So that's why you say like is it an Kongwana.
Poppy tryna get straight to the lobby. Been killing shows, been killing flows, did it all with no backup. Yeah, niggas came, but I'm already gone. Even now they can't catch up. If you tryna put me up on a song, this niggas what in danger. But the fear or not to gasoline. Super cars beat Vaseline.
If inyangompula ka this song, pull up. I know that you drive. I'm gonna pull up ka this song. Need they were hey man, the danger of the gasoline, petrol. Pull up on the song, pull up. I mean, like you know.
Ndichi boshi watching me, but mbuza uru shika me. Ndichi bona niko di jana babiwa, tingo na bija tingo kamiwa. Mika nini bandiko ambiwa, usongo tambiwa no tambiwa.
Ndibandiko ambo usongo tambiwa no tambiwa. Nalo tamba bana mkala. Ndiko penya.
Yeah.
The switch up.
It's RKVR, oh man.
Hey, let's go.
Fuck it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Fuck it. I said the bar, so I know one of these niggas confuse me with God.
I set the bar so high. Hey man. They say they set the bar, and I look back and tell them where the bar was, you know.
Niggas tell me I'm doing whatever it takes to be at the top. I'm moving my own way, and I bet you nobody can tell me to stop. I'm living beyond the bars I spit. I'm close to being a cop.
I'm moving beyond the. I'm moving beyond the bars I. Chikoshimo the two. Malaya ndiko move bars nana banazondo watsi no police. Let me go back.
Me I'm doing whatever it takes to be at the top. I'm moving my own way, and I bet you nobody can tell me to stop. I'm living beyond the bars I spit.
I'm moving beyond the bars I spit.
I'm close to being a cop.
I'm close to being a cop. Like I'm moving beyond the bars I spit. Like like my person about ako patrol ngangumjeni. Aba go chimla sina bars ako zifuka, right? The bars ndiza za jail. Kongwana wano ma vote agent the bars, right? So I'm moving beyond the bars. I'm even close to being the what? A cop.
Nobody can stop me, I'm doing whatever it takes to be at the top. I'm moving my own way, and I bet you nobody can tell me to stop. I'm living beyond the bars I spit, I'm close to being a cop. Nagare wana nare rufera ngozini. Bombre baba vafa, tazo ndiyo professor Kodini.
Yeah, hey, whenever vafa, tazo ndiyo professor Kodini ne Kodini. I feel like ukamba ne Kodini. Fora, professor mafora. Kongwana vava professor mafora. So, marombre baba vaza ukuma man.
Vachimbona lichismaila vasokoponga riti dini ngane vabvura mumwadzi
ona ni dini mfano wanga ani dini look at dini muzikano wa dini, but I mean like as a person he's a great guy man. He's
ufera ngozvini vomre baba vafa tadzo ndiyori professor Kodini vachimbona lichismaila vasokoponga riti dini ngane vabvura mumwadzi hasaro chingavojena mudini valavera aro wariko vafatomudza uri vonoperera kai pene dzanga dziteverera humwe na humwe
ichimbolela lanende kuyamba ya decline na print kongwana. Root kid, I gave you the line there.
Ongariti dini ngane vabvura mumwadzi hasaro chingavojena mudini valavera aro wariko vafatomudza uri vonoperera kai pene dzanga dziteverera humwe na humwe zvisinore ndiko yakai zvakazizva mumwe.
I feel like it seems like a simple line. Fene dzanga dzintevera humwe na humwe sadivori ndiko yakai. I feel like people may take it as a simple line, but this one is actually like so why am I saying this? Fene dzanga dzintevera humwe na humwe sadivori ndiko yakai. First of all, Rootkid Odumango rap, right? And then he had fans, right? That time I would Dex na mina zote. Then I change a lane. The freestyle I could have feeling a jimbo like the piano Duma or remake whatever, right? And then still fans zamutera ninge had the hits as nobody watch ni bapengo ni mini zote. And then his fans still followed him. Had the mapungo Mickey Black, bending 1 hour, and people were following him, right? And then he lost his channel. Now he got a new channel. And already this channel is above 30,000 subscribers. If you have a YouTube, you know how difficult to even get 500 subscribers. So it's like my friends are now because they're temba. So my fans will always follow me. So something like you can undermine it, but it's proper. It's the proper line.
Ngwati hasaro chingavo jena mutini valavera aro varivo vafatombudza uri vonoperera gai pene dzanga dziteverera humwe na humwe zvisinore
ndiko ya gai
zvanga sizva mumwe na mumwe onorepesa mneno nomuvona gai some of my day ones will change some abudzi odora dai
some of my day ones will change some abudzi odora dai my day ones. I remember ndichiya studio una Jack Bunny ainge ya Root Kid. That's Jack Bunny nanyina chamura nani, but there was Jack Bunny. They were recording some stuff na Jack Bunny ninge. So no vazungu chabva. So I think he's one of the people who change out. But hey me ayo ati divi mapungo koloza mufisha mapungo.
zvinoratangana nazvo zvinobaba zichiwa sajoke chimwe chipinga ndiyatombora nodhinora haranda rito zvacoke YouTube yanga
because kuna chin right, so natanga zwa was just a joke and it's not a joke. Koma udoza YouTube banana nanda udoza YouTube ndinga tibonzo ngadonda ngo YouTube. Plus this because I'm no longer like that deep on YouTube, right? Ndito I'm trying to work something and I just like ngongona, so it's not going to be easy for me to be like, hey, let me tell me on YouTube footy. Yeah.
change some abudzi odora dai comedy yazvinoratangana nazvo zvinobaba zichiwa sajoke chimwe chipinga ndiyatombora nodhinora haranda rito zvacoke YouTube yanga yorito nazvifa zvore ndikoluza hope maraitri zvonga jarizinore ndinebekeri freestyle za dope
zomotivate mfano wanga. Strong character, you're special, man. I'm dick riding. That was Root Kid Vanda 80 Degrees Freestyle. And then for Bramanga Mr. Operation, it's a one take video in a 1.7k views. I'm sure you will post a video. Even if it's about 2,000, right? Because no commenters, you know, about damn. And you got to post a video, I think, after I'm sure it's gonna be like late after my 12 hours. Yeah, man, then for Bramanga Mr. Operation, and I'm out. You know that video, one of my longest reaction ever in Dote. So I'm out.